Hello everyone, my name is Nyo Diha. Today I would like to talk about the Siddharth Bajwa Hospital from Saudi Arabia. So let's start with a brief description of this Bajwa Hospital. So this hospital is the world largest Bajwa Hospital. It was founded by Ministry of Health of Saudi Arabia and was launched in February 2022. This Bajwa Hospital provides remote medical care through video consultation, specialty consultation, diagnosis service, and critical care through networking over 130 hospitals across the kingdom. So let's talk about what did they contribute to health service. The first thing is they provide access to specialized health service promptly. So the second thing is they enable digital transformation by supporting innovation and using modern technology, including the artificial intelligence. The last thing is they contribute the knowledge and experience exchange and transfer. That activity increase the quality and efficiency of health services. So let's talk about which domain did they cover as an e-health project. So the first domain is health in our hands. So you can imagine about the patient can easily celebrate the consultation and healthcare service from home by using the electronic device like smartphone or computer. So the second domain is interacting for health. So they provide remote communication with specialists, follower service, and care coordination. This activity ensure continuous communication and interaction between the healthcare professional and patient. So they also provide a lot of services like emergency and critical consultation, specialized clinic, multidisciplinary committee, supporting medical service, and home care services. Among these services, I would like to highlight about two services. So the first service is multidisciplinary committee. So they have Bajue heart team, Bajue diabetes teams, and Bajue psychology team. These teams are like a group of consultant experts. They sit together and meet together to review case transfer from various health facility that need their advice. So the second survey is home care service. So they can monitor the patient by design remotely. So you know if the by design is abnormal, this system alert to the healthcare professional so they can send the specialized medication to the patient. So that is good. So the third domain is data enabling health. So this particular hospital collect patient data across the kingdom. So this data enable for the better outcome, chronic study management, and care optimization. Moreover, they also use the artificial intelligence and Internet of Things technology. So this their artificial intelligence is accurate up to 95% for the target disease. So the second thing is Internet of Things. So Internet of Things is remote patient monitoring service using Internet of Things technology that rely on the electronic device used by the patient to monitor the vital sign of the patient. So if the vital sign is abnormal, they can send the the specialized mobile team to the patient. So that's also good. Let's go to the topics of current health quality improvement. So regarding to the host effectiveness, so the patient can access the health services and consultation from the home. So it can reduce the travel costs and avoid the waiting time, long queue, and also the hospital congestion. So that optimize also the use of medical staff and hospital resources. So regarding to the customer satisfaction, so the patient can receive the immediate service and specialized care, including the chronic disease and post-surgical care. So that's good. And this particular hospital can improve the health outcome of the patient, especially for the children and patient with the chronic disease. So in my opinion, this particular hospital It's an innovative approach of the e-health project. So I hope we can adopt this approach in the future. So this is the end of my presentation. So thank you. See you. Bye bye.